Hi, welcome to day 23. Happy birthday for Flute. Make sure you tune before you play, always. Swab after you play, always. I'm going to play the melody the first time and then the harmony the second time. This one comes in on beat 3. So I'll count 1, 2, 3. There'll be 2 counts of silence and then we come in on 3. There is a fermata note that I'll hold twice as long. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Harmony. 1, 2, 3. How many of you missed the C flat? What is C flat? C flat is also known as B natural. It's an alternate way of looking at things. It's like having somebody's name be like Nick or Nicholas. It's the same exact thing. It just is written a different way. So check your fingerings before you play so you're not taken by surprise and you're suddenly driving on the 405 and all of a sudden you miss your 605 exit. Study the map in advance. Thanks. Have a good day.